Hello, I'm Jen, and this is your Daily Makeup Minute for November 29th, 2018. Kale Polish will have a one-day pre-sale of the Winter Rain collection today, November 29th at 7 a.m. to midnight Eastern. After this, you won't have access until December 4th, so get your bundle today for $49.95 if you want it. Here's a new release, Benefit Cosmetics and Desi Perkins Bomb-Ass Brows with everything you see here to make your brows behave. The limited edition kit is $59 on their site now. Sola Look sends photos of their upcoming Beverly Hills 90210 palette with swatches even. 6 shades for eyes, 4 shades for face, all in one convenient place, coming in January. Coloured Raine was going to call their new palette Rainforest, but it turns out to be someone else's intellectual property. So now they're turning it all over to you. Whoever submits the best name will win the entire collection and a $500 shopping spree on their site once a name has been selected and announced. That's it for now. We'll see you here same time tomorrow. Look for Makeup Minute Extras on my Instagram. And don't forget our full-length weekly newscast, What's Up in Makeup, every Sunday morning on YouTube.